And so, I think that is, I guess I'll need to keep 1 minute. I have 1 minute. Thank you very much, Madam Chair. And I'm pleased to have had this opportunity to speak about you know, the importance of having the Election Act updated, to work on the principles that we talked so much about during Democracy 250, the need to have our youth engaged in a stronger way, the return to put civics in our classrooms and in our schools, and for all of us as MLAs to find opportunities to go into the schools of the province and leave that message and help them understand the role that government does play.
Order,
with
please.
that, Madam Speaker, I take
time has elapsed for today's business. The Committee of the whole House will now rise and report progress. The Chair of the Committee of the whole House on Bills reports
that the committee has met, has considered Bill number 59, has made progress and begs leave to sit again.
Carried. I recognize the Honourable Government House Leader.
Thank you, Madam Chair. That ends the government's business for today. Madam Speaker, we should now rise to meet at the hours of 12 noon to 12 midnight. And after the daily routine and question period, we will do in Committee of the Whole on Bill number 59. I wish you to now rise.
The motion is that we do now rise to meet again tomorrow between the hours of 12 noon and 12 midnight. Is the House ready for the question? All in favour? Those opposed? The motion is carried. We stand adjourned.